Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do Unit 1 Assess and Review 1 of your book Maths Wise. Exercise 1 and 2. Write the place value of the highlighted numbers 399, 32, 309, 213, 522, 7.8, 78 and 185 to 399. First 399 last 9 stand for 9 unit, 32 3 stand for 3 tens, 309 0 stand for 0 10, 213 2 stand for 200, 500 0 stand for 0 unit, 22 2 stand for 2 unit, 8 stand for 8 unit, 94 9 stand for 9 10, 185 1 stand for 100 and 002 2 stand for 2 unit. Exercise 2. Write the number is as instructed. Two numbers after 34, 35 and 36. The number between 234 and 236 and 235. 235. 519, 519. 5 less than 40. 5 and 40, 176, 904. Sum of the first 6 number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal 21. When we add these number, we get the value of 21. The smallest 3-digit number 100. 1 less than 3 greatest 3-digit number 999 minus 1 subtract 1 equal 998. 10 more than smallest 2-digit number 10 plus 10 equal 20. 508. Exercise 3, 4 and 5. Exercise 3. 261, 262, 263 pattern चलना है. 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266 and as it is carry on 267, 68, 69, 270, 271, 299, 399, 499, 599, 699, 799, 899 and 999. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, 107 and 117. 2, 22, 42, 62, 82, 102, 122, 132, 142, 152, 162, 172, 182, 199 and 202. Exercise 4. Arrange the following numbers first and in ascending order and then in a descending order. Ascending order 23, 61, 75, 7, 94 first. Ascending order 7, 23, 61, 75 and 94. Descending order 94, 75, 61, 23 and 7. 348, 475, 287, 711, 128. Ascending order 128, 287, 348, 475, 711. Descending order 771, 475, 348, 287, 128. And question number 3. 594, 564, 524, 504, 554. Ascending order 504, 524, 554, 564 and 594. Descending order 609, 606, 603, 601 and 600. Last Ascending order, question number 5, 227, 337, 777, 887, 997. Descending order, 997, 887, 777, 337 and 227. Exercise 5. Add the following and write the answer in words. 213 plus 34 equal 247. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 3 plus 1 equals 4 and 2 as it is. In words, 247, 506 and 111. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. In words, 617. 89 plus 600. 89 plus 600. 9 plus 0 9. 8 plus 0 8 and 6 as it is. In words, 689. 450 plus 45. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 5 plus 4 equal 9 equal 4 as it is. 495. In words, 495. Exercise 5. 9 plus 44 plus 891. 9 plus 44 plus 891. 9 plus 4 plus 1. 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14. 1 carry. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 1 14. 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9. 944. 130 plus 23 plus 7 equal 160. In words, 160. 921 plus 5. 5 plus 1 equal 5 plus 1 equal 6. 2 as it is and 9 as it is. In words, 926. 920. By mistakenly write the 5, but your answer is 926. 7 plus 109. 109 plus 7. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 1 carry. 1 carry down and 1 as it is. In words, 116. 45 plus 555. 555 plus 45. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 0. 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 equals 0. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 equals 6. In words, 600. 321 plus 345 plus 734 equal 1400. 1400. Exercise 6. Solve the following and 10 write your answer. Then write your answer in words. 78 minus 66. 78 subtract 66. When 66 subtracted from this value, we get the answer 12. In words, 12. 199 minus 35. 199 minus 35. 9 minus 5 equal 4. 1 carry down. 0. 10, 11. 11 minus 3 equal 8. 84. In words, 84. 678 subtract 285. When the value 285 subtract from 678, we get the answer 393. 393. 741 minus 309. When the value 309 subtract from 741, we get the answer is 432. Exercise 6. 405 minus 19. We get the answer 386. 386. 888 minus 222. 8 less 2 6. 8 subtract 2 6. 8 subtract 2 6. Inverse 666. 34 minus 2 equal 32. Inverse 32. 120 minus 14. 10 subtract 4 equal 6. 11 subtract 1 equal 10. Inverse 106. 245 minus 198. 245 minus 198 equal 5. Carry 15. 15 subtract 8 equal 7. And 4 3 equal 13. 13 minus 9 equal 4. And 1 minus 1 equal 0. Inward 47. 922 minus 312. When the value of 312 subtracted from 922, we get the answer 610. Exercise 7. Solve the following using multiply table. 2 multiplied by 4, 2 4 are 8. 3 multiplied by 7, 3 7 are 21. 5 multiplied by 6, 5 6 are 30. 10 multiplied by 6, 10 6 are 60. 2 multiplied by 9, 2 9 are 18. 4 multiplied by 5, 2 4 5 are 20. 13 multiplied by 10, 13 10s are 130. 12 multiplied by 5, 12 5s are 60. 34 multiplied by 3, 3 4 are 12, 1 carry, 3 3 are 9, 9 1 10, 102. And 60 multiplied by 2, 2 0 0, 6 2s are 12, 120. Solve the following and then show the drawing sets. Share 10 cars among 5 boys. Share 10 cars among 5 boys. Total car 10, total boys 5. 1 boy, number of cars 10 divide 5 equal, 1 boy get number of cars 10 divide 5 equal 2 cars. Therefore each boy get 2 cars. Share 15 sweets among 3 children. Total number of sweets 15. Total children 3. 1 child gets sweets. 15 divide 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore each child get 5 sweets. Share 8 pencils among 2 girls. Total pencils 8, total girls 2. 1 girl gets pencil 8 divide 2, 2 4s are 8. Therefore each girl get 4 pencils. Share 20 teddies among 4 babies. Total teddies 20, babies 4. 1 baby get teddies 20 divide 4, 4 5s are 20. Therefore each baby gets 5 teddies. Share 24 remaining 1 coins among 8 girls. Total coins of R1 equal rupees 1. 24 total girls 8. 1 girl get 1 coins. 24 divided 8 3 are 24. Therefore each girl get 3 coins. Exercise 9. Name the shapes circle, square, triangle and rectangle. Okay. Exercise 10. Write the name of the following 3D shapes. Choose from the list below. Cube, sphere, cubed, cylinder, pyramid. Exercise 11. Color quarter 1/2 of the shape. फुल है 1/2 2 पार्ट है 1 पार्ट को कलर किया तो 1/2 2 पार्ट है 1 बाय कलर किया 1/2 एंड 2 पार्ट है 1 को कलर किया 1/2. ओके क्लास. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 12. कलर क्वार्टर 1/4 of the following shapes 1 2 3 and 4. One digit is color 1/4. There are 4 boxes. One box is color. There are 1/4. Exercise 13. Measure the following lines using a ruler and write the measurement in centimeter. A and B equal 6 centimeter. C and D 3.3 centimeter. E and F 5 centimeter. G and H 8 centimeter. I and J 5.3 centimeter. Exercise 14. Read the time from the following clocks: 5 past 2 o'clock, 25 past 3 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 30 past 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock and 15 past 10 o'clock. Exercise 15. Solve the following real life problems. An old bookstore has 486 textbooks and 523 storybooks. Of these books, 168 books were sold on a particular day. How many books are left in the store? Total textbook in the store 486. Total storybooks in the store 523. Total books sold 168. Total books in the store before selling 168 books. 486 plus 523 equal 1009. Now after selling 160 books, total books left in the store 1009 minus 164 equal 840 1. Question number 2. Akbar got rupees 200 for standing first in the class. He spent rupees 56 on treating his friends and rupees 120 on buying CDs for himself. How much money is still left with him? Total money he got 2200. Money spent on treating friends rupees 56. Money spent on buying CDs 120. Total money spent 56 plus 120 equal 176. Money still left with him 200. Subtract 176. When 176 subtract from this value, we get the answer equal 24. How many days are there in the first 6 months of the year? In January, the number of days equal 31. In Feb, the number of days 28 or 29. 29 लीप ईयर में 29 डेज होते हैं. In March, the number of days 30. In April, the number of days 30. In May, the number of days 31. In June, the number of days 30. Therefore, total number of days in the first 6 months equal 181 or 182. A local phone calls cost rupees 3 per call. Robina made 6 calls. How much did she have to pay for her calls? Cost of one call rupees 3. Now cost of 6 calls are more than the cost of one call. Therefore multiply. Hence cost of 6 calls 3 multiplied by 6. 3 6 is 18. Look at the calendar in your class and see what day it is today. What day it is today? What day was it 10 days ago? For example, today it is Monday, therefore 10 days ago it was Friday. Atif weighed 46 kgs. His father weighs 10 kgs for more than him. What is the weight of his father? Weight of Arif 46 kg. Weight of his father 46 kg plus 10 kg equal 56 kg. A rabbit can cover 2 meter in 3 hops. How far does it go in 12 hops? Distance covered by rabbit in 3 hops 2 meter. Distance covered by rabbit in 1 hops 2 by 3 meter. Distance covered by rabbit in 12 hoops 2 by 3 multiplied by 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 2s are 8 meter. Tuba went out at 5 p.m. She came back at 8 p.m. How long was she out? Was it in the morning or in the evening? Time to go out 5 p.m. Time to come back 8 p.m. Time duration when she was out 8 p.m. minus 5 p.m. When the value of 5 subtract from 8, they get the answer 3 hours. Therefore, she went out for 3 hours, and as her returning time is 8 p.m., so he returned in the evening. Share 20 marbles among 5 boys. How many marbles does each boy get? Total marbles 20, total boys 5. Each boy get 20 divided 5. 5 4s are 20. Marbles 4. 6 girl went a picnic. Each girl had 2 cans of juice and 5 sandwich. How many sandwich and cans of juice are they carrying all together? Total girls 6. Number of cans each girl has 2. Number of sandwich each girl has 5. Total cans they have 6 multiplied by 2. 6 2 are 12. Total sandwich they have 5 multiplied by 6 30. Therefore they have 12 cans and 30 sandwiches. Okay class, now we have completed our unit number 1. Make the practice at your home. Thank you students. Okay, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.